Hey everyone, and welcome to the show that's absolutely random and somewhat educational. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Teresa. The show is written in alto clef and in the key of F flat.
And we'll start today's show with binary fission. Do you know what binary fission is?
Binary numbers. Numbers are scary.
Oh no, it has nothing to do with numbers. It's how prokaryotic cells divide.
Cells like...
And moving on, today's episode is about mitosis.
Mitosis. My toes is freezing.
But that's beside the point. Mitosis is the division of the nucleus. It has 4 steps, but before that we have to learn about the cell cycle.
Cell cycle. So it's like some kind of wheel?
Not really. It's a repetitive events sequence.
Perpetual motion.
Which includes mitosis, cytokinesis, and interphase.
Interphase. Sounds really interesting.
So anyways, interphase is divided into 3 parts, and there are 3 checkpoints as well. Interphase begins with the G1. Wait.
No, it's not G1. It's G6. Get it right.
No, it's G1, and shush. The G1 phase is where cells grow to good size, and the checkpoint of G1 makes proteins that decide whether or not the cell has grown enough or not. The cells go into S phase, where the DNA is copied, and they go into G2 phase to prepare for cell division or mitosis. Stop bouncing up and down. And the checkpoint there has DNA repair enzymes that check the DNA replication. And there's a special phase called G0 phase, where the cells don't go into interphase and mitosis and whatever and stop growing.
But why would they stop growing? Their cells are supposed to grow!
Well, your nerve cells stop growing, and that's where they go. They stop growing.
So...
No, shut up. And mitosis is now ready to start. It has 4 steps, like I said, which are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And an easy way to remember this is PMAT.
Hey, that smells Pac-Man!
No, why are you so stupid? No, it doesn't.
Oh, right. Pac-Man. Sounds weird. P-Man. But then you change it to P-Man. So, P-Man like Pac-Man, except P-Man.
Sheriff, whatever helps you sleep at night.
Okay, so what's mitosis?
It's super awesome! Well, first of all,
Prophase!
prophase,
Your face.
your mom's face.
Your elbow's face.
No. Prophase is the phase where DNA coils tightly into chromosomes.
Like a slinky.
The chromatids stay together at the centromere, and spindle fibers appear, and the nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear.
Like this?
The membrane, actually.
The nuclear membrane is disappearing! Oh my gosh, the nuclear membrane is gone!
And now it's easy meal time! What will we be making today?
Today, we'll be learning how to make spaghetti. That's right, spaghetti.
Hey, doesn't this remind you of something? Oh, that's right, I forgot the parsley. No, the spindle fibers. The spaghetti looks like the spindle fibers. Oh, the spindle fibers are edible? No, they radiate from the centromere and equally divide the chromatids.
So I met a face last night.
Metaphase? Is that a Pokemon? What do you mean Metapod? I told you I haven't caught them all yet.
Why do I even bother? Metaphase is when the chromosomes line up in the center of the cell.
Oh, I get it. Metaphase use tackle.
No!
No, give it back!
What the heck are you doing?
Look at Anna's face. To think they'd be separated after all that had happened between them? Look, shut up, I'm trying to watch a Korean drama here.
There. It's okay. There's actually a lot like anaphase, which is the next step of mitosis. The chromatids separate and move to opposite sides of the cell. Like, it's a lot like 2 people being separated.
Oh, why did she leave? Well, I guess there's no other choice but for me, except to be forever alone.
To be continued in the next episode of I Am So Sad, So Very, Very Sad.
And do you know what happens next? Telophase, where the spindle fibers disappear and the nucleolus and the nuclear membrane reappear. Do you know what that means? That's right, you're gonna be forever alone.
Telophase looks like boobs!
That's besides the point. But hey, it's story time!
Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? Wrong story, Romeo, but that's okay too.
No, Juliet, don't leave me. What is this thing? What is this thing?
Remember it?
Help!
I've been
Chase my And the final checkpoint for mitosis is right here. The protein signals the cell to exit mitosis when the cell passes this checkpoint.
The poor nuclei, so even after they reproduce, they're stuck in prison?
What? Prison?
You said the nuclei aren't cells.
No, not gel cells, you fool. They're different cells.
Oh, you mean this?
Just think of it as gel cells. So a cleavage furrow forms and it pinches a cell into two. And this step is called cytokinesis. It's just like having two people in a gel cell. That won't work. So two nuclei in a single cell won't work either. So
Oh my gosh, now there's two!
I guess so. And in plants, there's a cell plate that forms between the new cells. And it's like the wall that's separating the gel cells in prison. And now, it's snack time!
So what's the snack of today?
Well, we have some hot cocoa and some cocoa puffs. And if you don't like hot cocoa, there's also Coca-Cola.
Sounds great. And can you guess what I have?
What?
Mystery meat. So you're going to be blindfolded and you're going to taste it and tell me what you think it is.
Sure. Tastes like chicken. Pretty sweet chicken.
Do you think it's chicken?
Yeah.
Wrong. It's Homo sapien.
And now it's special guest time with Coco the dog. Hello, Coco. How are you today? Yeah, I know. I totally understand. The weather hasn't been allowing me to go on my walks either.
Hey Coco, what's asexual reproduction? They've just been making fun of me for not knowing what it is.
No, I haven't. I'm just appalled by the fact that we've been talking about mitosis and binary fission, and you don't know what asexual reproduction is. Hey, are you listening to me?
I understand, Coco. Oh, so asexual reproduction is reproduction from one parent. Oh, I get it. Thank you, Coco. By the way, where's your nose? Hey, cancer. Did you know that cancer is caused by an uncontrollable growth of cells?
Where have you been? Seriously, this is old news.
No, it's not. They're caused by cool sounding stuff called mutations on genes, and the proteins start getting messed up, and they don't work anymore.
Oh, good job. Now, just be a good girl and go clean your room.
Right, okay.
And
that concludes today's episode of Absolutely Random and Somewhat Educational Stuff. Yay!